Today we are going to discuss about the concepts of swing and its components. So before we move into detail, I like to say that AWT is a heavyweight component. So it is heavily dependent on the OS libraries. So we are upgrading from AWT to swing. So with swing, we don't have to depend on the OS libraries. Instead, we only use the SDK, Java SDK available. So other features related to swing are, swing is a lightweight component and is platform independent and it supports MVC. So we already know that MVC, model view controller. Whenever you make a small change in a particular code sequence, you don't have to change all those things. Instead, we just change a particular code sequence and we rerun it. It is possible with the help of swing alone. So what's the thing that make the particular swing program? So whenever you come to write a swing program, you have the knowledge of containers and the components. So we already heard of those components. The component may be a button, text box, checkbox, radio buttons, or something else. So we must specify the container. So I just like to draw a screen. A container. So imagine we have a screen. Imagine we have a screen. This screen has an invisible layer. We have an invisible layer and we are placing all those components in this invisible layer. So we name this invisible layer as container. So inside this container we have plenty of components. It may be a text box, it may be a label, it may be a button, it may be a checkbox, it may be a radio button. Also, one container may hold n number of containers. We must not say that one container, for every program we have only one container. It's not the case. Here, one container may have n number of containers and those containers may hold n number of containers. So, a container may hold another container or the components. So the component here I mentioned here is maybe the label, text box, button, checkbox, radio group or some other selective components also. So inside the container we have a container and a component. This container may have another container and some components. So we got another name for this container as layouts. So we may use grid layouts, table layouts, and other layouts to arrange those components on the screen. So let us stop our discussion here and let us start the discussion of how to run and create a swing program in the next lecture. Thank you.